takes me beyond the known borders of car performance. I'm hanging my ass over the ragged edge like Chuck Yeager. Anyway, concentrate.
The super accurate speedo read in kilometres, so the magic number we'd be looking for is 414 kilometres per hour.
If I reach maximum speed, I will be drinking fuel at the rate of 1.7 gallons a minute. The radiators will be sucking through 4 tons of air an hour.
Just before the 5.5 miles straight is some steep banking, which I'd have to enter at exactly 125 miles an hour.
And then I have to change down as I pass a series of bollards, ready to give it the beans as I come out the other end. Here we go, here's the banking. Here comes the first bollard. Change down 1. Here's a bollard. Change down 2. Here's a bollard. Change down 3 times. Godspeed, Captain Slow! Whoa! Bloody hell, look at the speed of that! I'm doing 258, 206, I'm going faster than I can speak. 300, 320. That is amazing, it's so stable. I'm already up to 340. Bloody Nora! It's unbelievable, look how fast everything's going past! There's 400.
In Queen's English, that's 248 miles per hour.
Come on, come on, come on! I'll pass my old record.
Now we were into the unknown.
It's slightly twitchy. Come on! Come on! Yes! Buzz, Chuck, think I may have whooped your ass. Woo, woo.
And the speedo kept climbing.
Bloody hell, that was exciting.
One car, and then we do that only every 10 years.
Now, France's most famous marque is back with an all-new 2.4 million euro, 1,500 horsepower machine called the Chiron.
If we say we want to build a car that makes it to a top speed above 400 km per hour, you need to deliver.
After nearly a decade of design and engineering, it's finally time to push the boundaries of the automobile.
This one is a pre-production car.
Before the brand can deliver the machine to market, they must first race the clock and crack the 400-kilometer barrier.
Have you a look on this?
Every day counts, and there is no margin for error. This is a once-a-decade inside look at the last big push to build the next Bugatti.